Hey there, burger lovers. Are you ready to celebrate National Hamburger Day? Mark your calendars for May 28, 2026. It's the day we all get to indulge in our favorite comfort food, burgers. Imagine biting into a juicy patty, topped with your favorite fixings. Sounds delicious, right? This year, we've got some amazing deals lined up. From free burgers at fast food chains to crazy new recipes, there's something for everyone. Whether you love to grill at home or hit the drive-thru, this is one day you don't want to miss. Let's dive into some exciting deals. First up, Burger King is rolling out the red carpet for its Royal Perks members. Get a free hamburger with any purchase of $3 or more. Just use the BK app or visit their website. But wait, there's more. You can snag 4 months of Spotify Premium too with a $10 purchase. Now that's a double treat, but that's not all. Bad Daddy's Burger Bar is showcasing their Smashadilla Burger this month. Picture this: quesadilla buns, double-stacked taco season patties, and all those tasty toppings. Yum! And if you're a fan of wings, Buffalo Wild Wings has a special for newcomers. Sign up for their rewards and you'll get a free burger with a $15 purchase. So many options, right? Now maybe you're thinking, why not grill my own burgers? That's a great idea. Cooking at home can be a fun challenge. You can experiment with flavors. Think about adding unique toppings like guacamole or spicy jalapenos. How about a barbecue sauce glaze? The possibilities are endless. You can also get the family involved. Have a burger making contest. Everyone can create their own masterpiece. Remember, it's not just about the taste, it's about the experience. Share laughs and enjoy the process. Plus, you'll have a tasty meal at the end. So, whether you're grabbing a burger from your favorite spot or grilling at home, each bite is a celebration. As National Hamburger Day approaches, it's time to embrace the burger culture. It's more than just food. It's a celebration of flavor, nostalgia, and community. So gather your friends and family and make plans. Whether it's sharing a meal at a restaurant or creating your own burger bar at home, every bite counts. Don't forget to take advantage of those amazing deals. Remember, it's a day for everyone to enjoy. So, let's raise our burgers high and toast to this delicious holiday. Here's to juicy patties, crispy fries, and unforgettable moments. Happy National Hamburger Day, everyone. Let's make it the ultimate burger challenge.